morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has stood still in the last session. Stochastic has plunged into the negative zone. Bitcoin has gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC transitioned sharply into the positive zone. The price of gold has remained muted in the last session. The RSI transitioned into the neutral area. The price of crude oil has added 1.2% in the last session. The CCI transitioned sharply into the positive area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The price of oil approaches the June low ahead of OPEC's September meeting as U.S. crude inventories unexpectedly increase for the first time since July. UK Prime Minister Johnson told the EU not to threaten Britain, saying a bill which would breach a divorce treaty with the bloc was needed to protect the country's integrity. The Australian dollar may pull back as domestic economic activity and local inflation prospects plateau as geopolitical tension with China heats up.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Japanese capacity utilization will be released at 2:30 GMT, the Japanese industrial production at 2:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meetings at 800 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1200 GMT, and the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.